In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut pages. If you're cleaning up a notebook, reorganizing sections, or simply removing a page you no longer need, cutting a page in OneNote is a quick, precise way to do it. Think of it like lifting an entire page out of your notebook and placing it on your clipboard so it's out of the current location but still available to paste elsewhere if you choose. First, make sure you're looking at the navigation pane, which is the list of page titles usually along the side of your OneNote window. Each item there represents a full page in your notebook. This is different from the content area in the middle, where you actually type notes. You'll want to act on the page title itself in the navigation pane, not on the text inside the page. When you've identified the page you want to remove, use your device's standard right-click gesture on that page title in the navigation pane. A context menu will appear right next to your cursor. From that menu, select Cut. The moment you choose Cut, OneNote removes that entire page from the list. It's gone from this location, which helps keep your notebook tidy, and it's placed on your system clipboard so you can keep working confidently, knowing you haven't lost the content. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Before you cut, double-check you've selected the correct page title. Page names can be similar, and removing the wrong one can be disruptive. If you change your mind right after cutting, you can undo the action to bring the page back. Also, remember that cutting a page is different from deleting it outright. Cutting is best when you're removing a page from here with the option to reuse it later, while deleting is for when you're certain you don't need it anymore. If you don't see the cut option, make sure you're clicking the page title in the navigation pane and not a note container inside the page. The context menu you want only appears on the page title. On touchpads or touchscreens, use the appropriate long press or two-finger press to open that same menu. That's all there is to it. By right-clicking the page title in the navigation pane and selecting Cut, you can quickly remove a page while keeping it accessible on your clipboard. Keep your notebooks organized with confidence, one quick cut at a time.